Hello everyone, we're here in Page, Arizona, and we're at the Baymont Inn and Suites. Fairly new property, just built about 2 years ago, and we're going to take a hotel room tour of a deluxe 2-queen bedroom suite. But first, I just wanted to show you that this hotel does have an electric vehicle charger, just the standard J1772. ChargePoint branded, Leviton. And over here, I'm not sure if you can see it, but the price is $2 an hour at 6.3 kilowatts shared between the two ports. There's the price. If you can see it, I'll put up another picture. Yeah, but so you do have an electric vehicle charger here, and it looks like it's working. Earlier reports in 2019 showed it wasn't working. You also have a sign saying that it's for EV charging only. So with that said, let's go inside and up to room 214. Hello everyone, we're here at the Baymont Inn and Suites in Page, Arizona. We're going to take a hotel room tour of room 214, deluxe room with 2 queen-size beds. As you walk in, right here you have a mirror on the right, light switch on the left that controls that large light up there. All lights in this room and pretty much the property are LED. And then over here we have a closet here, pretty spacious. You get 2 luggage racks, other luggage racks out in the room, ironing board, and 6 coat hangers. And then over here's the bathroom area. It has a complete door attached to it. It's in the combined vanity sink and shower toilet area. A large sink, Kohler, pretty big. We got some shelves down there for the towels, and then a mirror right there. And they have these wall sconce LEDs here, and then we also have the light fan and a recessed light over by the shower. So that turns on, and the fan kind of seems to be like on automatic, so it doesn't always turn on. There's more look at the bathroom. We have a Penguin branded toilet, and then there's the shower and tub area. Pretty spacious right here. Pretty large. There's a look at the shower head. Here's what it looks like. So there's a look at the shower. And then coming over here is the main part of the room. There's a look at the 2 queen-size beds. Pretty spacious. Right in the middle we have a nightstand with a drawer, empty. Lamp here, 2 LED lights, 2 power outlets. Spacious beds. You only get 3 pillows on each bed, unfortunately. Then over here's the entertainment console. We have a microwave oven. It's kind of an older type with the dials, and I'm not sure if it has a light. Yeah, so it only has a light when it's running. And there's a look at the cabinet. We have some drawers here. Pretty large mini refrigerator Danby. No freezer compartment though. Pretty big. And then over here is the channel list. I guess they probably use one of those DirecTV for hotels, the HR12 receiver. So I'm not going to show you that again. And then over here we have the work desk. Pretty spacious. This is the deluxe room, so you can see it's a lot bigger. Extra room. We have the coffee maker, hotel phone. We have another desk lamp, same model as the one right by the beds. And here's the other luggage rack we put over here. And then here's the GE climate control unit. It's only controlled here on the unit itself, and you can like turn high the display or not. And we can just turn the fan off. And you can hear it winding down. That's how it sounds without the fan. The compressor is pretty loud when it switches on though, so it could be jarring in the night. And there's the window looking out. Large parking lot. They have like a lot of space for large trucks or trailers with boats back there, as you can see. And there's another hotel. That one's a Home2 Suites by Hilton. And just north of us is a Sleep Inn, and then another Wyndham property, the Wingate by Wyndham. And then over there is the floor lamp, and we get the couch right there. So I'll give you an overview of the room from this side. So there's an overview of the room from this side, and that's going to be pretty much it for this hotel room tour at the Baymont Inn & Suites, Page, Arizona. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to check out other videos and links in the description below.